So, welcome to another Enertion video. This event was hosted by Esk8 Sydney, and it was held to celebrate the goal of reaching 800 members in the Facebook group. And it's actually almost at 900 already, so Sydney's definitely coming up pretty quickly in the electric skateboard scene. Yeah, even though it was a really dreary day and it was a little bit dodgy at times, we managed to host the demo and get people around for a barbecue. We had a few sponsors for the event, so Enertion was one of the sponsors. The other ones were Ben Buckler Boards, which is the local retailer in Sydney for electric skateboards. They also had the unicycle group, One More Wheel, I believe. Also Boards, which is an up-and-coming company based out of Sydney that is building a really dope tramper-style mountain electric board, which is going to have a crazy amount of power, and looking forward to that. We had some pretty cool people rock up, lots of DIYs.
How do you record though? Are you serious?
One of the guys actually had one of our old Enertion R-Spec 2.0 motors, so the 6372 or 74 motor.
That's not 74.
That's a 74.
No, it's not.
Are you a gambling man?
That's not 74 mil can.
No, that is a 74 mil can. Go and have a look at Roland's thing. It's like a 55.
I put it away already, but yeah, this is definitely bigger.
Tobias's. Tobias's got a
Tobias
spot over there.
has the smaller ones.
Yeah, right.
Just the old Vesk, I don't know which one it is.
Then I won't be a gambling man.
Yo.
There's actually one point in the ride where the bridge that we had to go under was flooded, so we all had to get off of the path and walk through the mud.
This is it.
But yeah, overall it was a really nice day, and we made the most of a dreary afternoon riding through Sydney. So thanks so much for checking out this video. If you want to see more stuff in the future, just a friendly reminder, we are going on tour starting in Europe at the beginning of next month in Paris. So we'll be visiting a bunch of different countries in about 10 cities total in Europe. And then directly after that, we'll be traveling to the US and Canada to finish up the tour in August. And we're going to be hosting demos at our new retailers. So Fat Daddy in Amsterdam. They also have another store that we're going to visit in Aarhus in Denmark. And we'll also be doing demos in NYC with Philip Archie, Border Labs in Vancouver, and Last Mile in San Francisco. So look out for that, and I'll post a link to the events in the description of the video so you can check those out. Anyway, thanks again, and yeah, see you later.